when Fiat bought a very troubled Chrysler. It seemed like CEO Sergio Marchionne was taking a huge risk. But all of a sudden, a strong earnings report and Marchionne's move to split off Fiat's industrial business may put this Italian company ahead of its global rivals. We partner with the Financial Times to bring you Lex on Bloomberg so you can get a sneak peek at the FT's flagship column a day early. Vincent Boland joins me now live from London. Vincent, Fiat shocking the market with a remarkably strong earnings report. How much of this is Sergio Marchionne and how much of this is a rebound in the car industry?
Well, I guess, Eric, it's a bit of both, actually. Sergio Marchionne tends to deliver what he promises, and I think you can see it in this set of results where operating profit, revenues, margins were all higher than the sort of consensus expectations, which I think were a little low anyway. But I think that this is all very much due to Marchionne's sort of push to take Fiat up the sort of league table of global automakers, and also a very strong emphasis on keeping costs down.
Well, let's talk about costs, because 20%, Fiat owns 20% of Chrysler, and at least here in the United States, we all want to know how Chrysler's doing. What did you see in that earnings report?
Well, this is the earnings report that came out this morning was just for the Fiat Auto Group, and I think we'll see separate Chrysler numbers a little later on. But I think that what it does suggest is that in parts of the global auto industry there is a rebound, in Latin America, for example, and in trucks and farm vehicles and things like that. The European market is still very sluggish, and I suspect that the US market will also be seen to be like that as well, particularly now that governments in a lot of places have ended this incentive schemes that they brought in during the height of the global financial crisis, just to get people to buy more cars and to keep the industry alive.
Vincent, thanks as always. Vincent Boland, FT Lex writer. The remarkable story of Sergio Marchionne and Fiat continues.